Okay guys, welcome to Pitney Boy Chronicles. This Sunday we are at this trail. See how steep it's going up. तो ये प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं हम लोग हाइक करना. हम लोग से मुराद है जस्ट मी टुडे बिकॉज कोई दोस्त भी संडे मॉर्निंग को आने को तैयार नहीं होता. तो I just have this my tiny bag here and with some water inside, 4 माल्टे, 4 केले, a bit of a fruit. Fruit is important, man. Or we are hiking up. I've taken off my jacket. I did not want it to spoil it क्योंकि इन पत्थरों में I definitely would need to take it off. Check करें जी, the views are getting wider as we go up. Beautiful Islamabad. ओके गाइस, तो यहाँ तक तो आगे बहुत आराम से और ख़ूबसूरती बढ़ती जा रही है. सूरज चढ़ता जा रहा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच इज़ विजिबल टू यू गाइस. ऊपर से लोग उतर भी रहे हैं. अर्ली मॉर्निंग बर्ड्स. वाओ. सो आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग इन द शेड. विंटर्स में वेयरिंग अ टी शर्ट एंड शॉर्ट्स. ये सीन है. And still feeling hot. The good thing is इन लोगों ने और बेंचेस रख दी हैं. Last time I came to Trail 3 इतने bench नहीं थे. Now there's another bench for you to sit, relax, catch your breath and move on. Aywa. All the way up on the trail. नमाज पढ़ने की जगह काफ़ी जगहों पर है. Alright guys, these bins are here in the mountains for you guys to throw all your waste. Don't throw your waste on the floor. Be sensible and use it somewhere wise. Sitting area as well. Alright guys, on our way back. वापसी हो रही है. अकेला हूँ इसलिए ज़्यादा कहीं बैठा नहीं, कि रुका नहीं. Continuously just kept the hike. Now it's that ridge और उसके बाद फिर further down last ridge. अच्छा, हाइकिंग में अप हिल जाना, ऊपर जाना लोग समझते हैं कि मुश्किल है. नो डाउट ऊपर चढ़ने में पावर ज़्यादा लगती है, एनर्जी ज़्यादा लगती है. बट नीचे उतरने में आपको कंट्रोल ज़्यादा रखना पड़ता है ताकि आप स्लिप ना हो जाएं. गिरने का ज़्यादा चांस आपको पहाड़ी से नीचे उतरते हुए होता है. तो while you're getting down the ridge, put your steps very carefully. हर कदम बहुत सोच के फूंक फूंक के रखें कि आपने कदम कहाँ रखना है, कैसे रखना है, and how you will move your feet पत्थरों में से. तो ये सीन है on the way down. तो गाइस, जब आप हाइक करें ऊपर चढ़ते हुए तो केयरफुल रहिए, मगर नीचे आते हुए ज़्यादा केयरफुल रहिए, क्योंकि आपका मोमेंटम, आपकी स्पीड माउंटेन से नीचे उतरते हुए ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. As you can see, people would think it's tough to go up. No doubt it's tough, but आप स्लो जा रहे होंगे ऊपर. बट जब आप नीचे आ रहे होंगे और आप केयरफुली पाँव नहीं रखेंगे, हाथों का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे, तो it can get dangerous for you and slippery as well. Trail 3 and I'm alone by myself. No friends came with me. It wasn't possible for anybody to come, but I just came by myself. And the reason why to do so was because the whole week we are working. There's not much activity we do, and no healthy exercise is being done. and as we are growing older, as you know, by the color of my hair you could see. So by the passing time, by the passing age, there should be something healthy going on in order to keep ourselves healthy until we are alive. This might not prolong my lifespan. I don't need to live longer, I don't want to live longer, but as long as I'm here in the world, I should be adding my value into this place, into my family, adding value everywhere where I go around. So the positive energy needs to be shared. I suggest you all to do something healthy, to do a walk, a jog, a small run every day, evening if possible. But I know it's very difficult to do it on daily basis. But if you can do it once in a week, it's really, really important. Get on a mountain, get on such a place, and walk, because it's totally worth it, I tell you. And you spend a lot of energy, you waste a few hours of your day, but when you get back home and when you wake up next morning for work, you feel energetic, you feel relaxed, and the feeling you get inside, the energy, the positive energy you get inside yourself is colossal, and it's awesome. So I suggest you all to do some healthy activities as well. At least walk, that's the minimum you can do, walk. And for smokers, like I used to smoke a lot, I still smoke. Not a lot, but I'm trying to reduce and leave. And that is why I am here at the trail 3 today, to evaluate myself where I stand, how good and bad I am with my physical stamina, and if I have to carry a 25 kg glider on my back to a mountain and fly from there, I should be able to do so. So that is the inspiration, that is the theme. Keep it locked, there'll be more videos coming in of us flying from somewhere, or diving from somewhere, or swimming somewhere, or boating somewhere. Let's see what happens, man. Life is all about surprises, and let's see and wait for a good surprise. Thank you for watching.